Hi Flutter Devs, I'm Ashita, a consultant by profession and a product person at heart. If you are an aspiring Flutter developer exploring the Flutter ecosystem comprising 12,000 plus packages can be quite overwhelming and intimidating. To help you navigate in this vast ecosystem, I would like to present before you my community project Flutter Gems. To better demonstrate the power of Flutter Gems, let's undertake a developer's journey through a demo app named Street Artist, which aims at propagating the street art or graffiti culture around the globe. So, where does the developer begin his journey? It starts with gathering the app's requirement, which is accompanied by a crude mockup or wireframe like the one shown, containing typical material components like an app bar, grid, image, icon, card, etc. This wireframe can be quickly realized into an app as shown using the material component widgets which are well documented in Flutter docs. After implementation, we can see that the card images are not depicting the true aspect ratio of the street art, hampering the visual experience. A quick solution is to fit images inside the cards. But again, this leads to improper utilization of the screen space, hampering the visual experience. A good solution to this problem would be to maintain the actual aspect ratio of the images and closely pack the cards. However, we do not have a pre-built widget in the library to implement this solution, which leads us to the next phase of a developer's journey, the hunt, where the developer tries to express the widget in words. This search starts with PubDev and often moves across multiple forums to seek the desired implementation. But what if I tell you about a visual discovery platform which can aid you in your hunt? Flutter Gems comes to the rescue as it provides 1500 plus widely used packages neatly curated based on core functionality. In this case, as the requirement is that of a custom grid, we can check out the grid category and come across some packages which can be directly used to create a staggered or waterfall grid. As the app evolves, so do the requirements to include new UI components. Some examples of such new requirements are to allow the app user to pick a location to show nearby graffitis, switch between map and grid view, adding image pop-ups in map view, modifying the floating action button to upload user provided graffitis and adding reaction button for artworks. These functionalities are already implemented by the awesome Flutter community members and you can visually and seamlessly locate them on Flutter Gems. So what are you waiting for? Accelerate your app development journey today using Flutter Gems and don't forget to contribute and join our awesome community.